Hey guys, it's Ayushi. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a get ready with me as I have to attend a wedding tonight. I thought that I should shoot a video, and yes, this is the look that I come up with. So if you want to know how I created, then keep on watching. Starting off with the primer, I'm going to use Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer and I'm going to focus on the areas where I have large pores, that is mainly around my nose, and then I'm going to apply it all over my face and on my neck as well. Now I am going to use the foundation, that is Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I am in the shade 230 Natural Buff and going to apply it on my face in a dotting motion. Then with the help of a beauty blender I am going to dab the foundation in my skin. For concealer, I'm gonna use here is a Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm in the shade 25 medium and going to focus on the areas where I have hyperpigmentation, that is under my eyes, around my mouth, and with the same cosmetic sponge I am going to blend the concealer. Now I'm going to use Age Rewind concealer just to highlight my face and give it a little brighter effect, and going to blend it out with the same cosmetic sponge. Today I am going to do a cream contour. For contouring I am using L.A Girl Pro Concealer HD in the shade Warm Sand and going to apply it on the hollows of my cheeks, on my forehead, and just going to contour my nose a little bit, and going to apply it on my jawline as well.
So with the same cosmetic sponge I am going to blend everything nicely so that no harsh lines remains there. Now I am going to use Bharat and Dorris loose powder in shade number 02 and going to apply it where I have applied concealer to set it in place.
Powder contour, I am going to use Nicka K blush palette and picking up the lighter shade from that I am going to on the areas where I have applied the cream contour and on my nose and on my jawline as well. And picking the orange shade from the same palette and going to apply it on the apple of my cheeks.
Now I'm going to use Lakme Absolute Shimmer Brick palette and picking up the peach shade for transition, and now going on with this green color from the same palette and placing it on the outer corner and building it inside. Now I'm going to use little more product and going to build it till the moment I want it becomes all set. Going on with the Rock Nudes palette, I'm going to pick a little shimmer shade and going to place it on my inner lid. And for highlighter, I'm using here Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate highlighter, applying it on my inner corners, on my brow bone, and using the same highlighter for my nose, applying it on my cheeks as well. Moving on to lip contouring, I'm contouring my lips and then going on with the lipstick. Here I'm using Swiss Beauty 11 Moscow Red and then going on with MAC Taupe just to lighten up little color as this gives fused bright lips, and here that finishes up the look. Click on that pic of mine to subscribe my channel, like this video and share it with your friends as well, and I'll see you super soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.